I would say the favorite part about my job is just being able to help, my technicians, help customers, and be the problem solver that I know I can be, in the trade. I love being a plumber, and you have to be somewhat of a problem solver to be a plumber. Every job is different. There is no one size fits all for different job sites or customers. So when I started off at Fast, I started off as a technician first from the ground up, worked really hard to get to where I am today. I use every day as a learning opportunity, different situations, different jobs, different customers, different technicians to work with. Gives me a little bit more insight to how to deal with different situations in the field on the fly. If I could swap jobs with anybody at Fast, I did a little bit of thinking about this one. And I thought about swapping jobs with the CEO, knowing what he has on his plate. I had to refrain from that. I really love my job, so I would definitely be in the same role I am in now. I like to spend my day with my family. I have two daughters. I'm a girl dad. Love doing things with my daughters, arts and crafts, doing home improvement projects with my daughters. I have two daughters that are in volleyball, both of them. So I'm very active in, when they go to practice, go to games, things like that. But that I would say that's the best part of my day is just spending time with my daughters, my wife, my family.